Hi, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake.
And this is Learn English with Jake and Emma.
Today, you'll learn simple English so you can talk about food and going out to eat. One of my favorite things in the world.
Yep, I can certainly see why going out to eat would be your favorite. Because cooking doesn't even stand a chance.
Hey, I can cook.
Jake, microwaving a frozen burrito doesn't count as cooking.
Well, it does if you believe in yourself.
When we talk about going out to eat, we mean things like going to restaurants, ordering food, instead of cooking it yourself.
And trying to decide between pizza or burgers.
You're not fooling anyone. You order pizza every single time.
Because pizza never lets me down.
Some people cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. And cooking at home is a great option. But we'll talk more about that in a future episode.
I cook. Sometimes.
Jake, last week you told me you burned water.
It was a very complicated recipe.
I mean, come on. It's not even possible to burn water.
Exactly. Very advanced.
And that brings us to today's real topic, going out to eat. Lots of people enjoy going to restaurants, cafes, or food trucks instead of cooking at home.
Food trucks are the best. You walk up, order food, and boom, happiness.
I usually prefer eating at a restaurant. It's a little more upscale. Sometimes you need a reservation. Getting a reservation means calling ahead to save a table.
Sounds like a lot of extra work to me.
Let's get back on track. At a restaurant, you sit down, take your time to read the menu, and someone brings the food right to your table.
I always panic when the waiter comes. Are you ready to order? No, I'm never ready.
You could read the menu before they arrive.
But I'd still just forget everything the moment they look at me.
When you order food, you can say things like, "I'd like a salad," or "Can I have the chicken sandwich?"
Or, I'll take the biggest burger you have, please.
You don't need the biggest burger.
I do it for science. I'm studying how much food I can eat and how fast to reach maximum happiness.
I'm pretty sure that's not how science works.
Well, I'm still experimenting.
After you finish eating, you pay the bill. Sometimes people split the bill, which means each person pays part of the total.
I like when other people split the bill, so I don't have to worry about it.
Not cool, Jake.
Oh, come on.
But anyway, people will usually leave a tip, which is extra money to thank the waiter for good service.
I was kidding. I always pay my share, and I'm a good tipper.
Then how come you told everyone you forgot your wallet last time?
It was laundry day. Things happen.
Let's review some useful English words from today.
First, menu, the list of food you can order at a restaurant.
Second, order, to ask for food or drinks.
Third, bill, the piece of paper that shows how much you need to pay.
Fourth, split, to divide something, like the restaurant bill, between people.
And fifth, restaurant, a place where you go to eat. A natural habitat for a high-energy dude like me.
Oh, brother. Repeat after me. I'd like to order a sandwich.
I'd like to order a sandwich.
Now try. Can we split the bill?
Can we split the bill?
And finally, this restaurant has great food.
This restaurant has great food, especially if they have French fries on the menu.
Today we talked about going out to eat, choosing what you want to eat, ordering your food, and paying the bill.
And we learned useful words like menu, order, bill, split, and restaurant.
Nice job following along. Now you can talk about food and going out to eat in clear, natural English.
And remember, never panic when the waiter comes.
It's the waiter who should panic if you're sitting at their table.
Haha, very funny.
Thanks for listening.
Keep practicing your English. You're getting better every time.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
I'll be ready to bring my considerable talents to the table. Unless I get lost in the menu again.
Yeah, whatever, buddy.